Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to auto-park your BMW X7. First, locate the parking assistant button, usually found on your center console. As you drive slowly, the system will automatically scan for suitable parking spaces. Once a spot is identified, confirm your selection on the control display. This feature makes parking in tight spots much easier and less stressful, giving you confidence in any urban environment. For parallel parking, once the system identifies a suitable space, engage the parking assistant. The car will then guide you through the process. Pay close attention to the control display for instructions on when to shift between drive and reverse. Remember, keep your hands off the steering wheel. The car handles the steering automatically. You only control the accelerator and brake, ensuring a smooth and precise park every time. When perpendicular parking, activate the parking assistant as you approach a potential spot. The system will then calculate the optimal path. It's crucial to continuously monitor your surroundings for any unexpected obstacles or pedestrians. While the car handles the steering, you remain in control of the speed and braking. Always be prepared to take over if the situation demands it, ensuring safety for everyone. To get the most out of your BMW X7's auto parking feature, always ensure your sensors are clean for optimal performance. It's also a great idea to practice using the system in an open, safe area to build your confidence. This will help you understand its capabilities before using it in busy environments. And hey, while you're upgrading your driving experience, why not upgrade your comfort too? Check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.